Did you know a real estate heir confessed to multiple murders while accidentally leaving his microphone on? Robert Durst spent decades dodging justice for 3 shocking crimes. In 1982, his wife Kathleen vanished without a trace. 18 years later, his best friend Susan Berman was found shot execution-style in her home, right before she was set to talk to police about Kathleen's disappearance. Then in 2001, Durst dismembered his neighbor Morris Black, but somehow convinced a jury it was self-defense. For years, investigators had no solid proof linking Durst to these killings. That changed when filmmakers Andrew Jarecki and Mark Smerling made a documentary called The Jinx. They discovered anonymous letters sent after Berman's murder had identical handwriting and misspellings to Durst's own writing. In the final episode, Durst went to the bathroom while still wearing his microphone. What he muttered next shocked everyone. "What the hell did I do? Killed them all, of course." This hot mic confession led to his immediate arrest, conviction for Berman's murder, and a life sentence. Sometimes criminals really are their own worst enemies.